A little while ago, a viewer asked what I would think as a angry chord progression. And I really thought a long time about this, and I don't think that I could create an angry chord progression because a chord progression is a little too measured. It's a little too stable, it's a little too organized. When I think of anger in music and how to portray anger, I think it's impulsive, right? It's quick, it's agitated. There's moments of intensity followed by gaps of breathing. And I just don't think that, some kind of a combination of major and minor chords can accurately depict anger. So I think of clusters, I think of wide ranges, and I think of moments of clarity in between those spots of crazy dissonance. So here is what I would consider an angry improvisation, and you could let me know if it relates to you.